This is Dubious Code, and this might be my shortest Python video. This is just describing the pass function. So the pass function is it's a function that does nothing. So here, pass it's not going to do anything. So I pass pi. But you would use it if it's syntactically required. So for instance, I might have an if statement if x greater than 10 equals 20. I don't know. There are times when you might need something to come after another statement. So I don't know why you do it like this, but you could get yourself in a situation where, I don't know, you have a switch statement or an if statement or a loop or something, and you need a filler in there. Maybe you're just trying to count something 100 times. I don't know. But the pass statement will do that. It's basically just a filler to take up the space so that it will work syntactically. So this will run. If I didn't have that in there, I would get an error. Expected and indented block. So the pass statement resolves that for me. This is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.